protect myself from the sun. And the glasses are just an extra added style. Gotcha!
Sige!
Mamuntag mga besh, mga bay.
bay.
Sige, karong adlaw na pa kami diri sa Camiguin. Kuban gyapon na mo si
Jordan
What the heck? Jordan Chuli!
What the heck? Bisayang.
Very good. We're in
Yeah.
Longo. Very good.
Very good. Sige, na kami diri sa White Island. Nagpainit sa kami. Nagpabulad. Grabe, pretty ka init.
Oh, Zoe
Ang
Lynn,
igagaw.
she's hiding.
Igagaw ni Zoe.
This is my cousin, Zoe.
Zoe Lynn.
Same name, Zoe Lynn.
Yes. Fun fact, her name is Zoe Lynn. So, diri kami magtambay. Palupa na to ang drone. Unya, mohapit kami sa mga falls, sa mga festival diri, sa Lanzones Festival.
Lanzones Festival.
Samok ng buhok.
Please don't go. I'd rather have you stay in. What is this game you're playing? Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to fight. Something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay.
Bisa ng igagaw ni Zoe. Team Spartan. Yeah.
Team No Shoes.
Tiniil.
Tiniil. I forgot the word.
Nadia imong Spartan no?
Nah, it's not mine.
Bot button.
Eh.
Basta magkuyo kami sa mga Instagrammers, dugay kami mag-picture ha. Grabe. Tanawa. Unsa man siya? Unsa man eh? Sexy oh?
What are you doing?
Mayor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday from all of us to you. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. Hey! Woo! Happy birthday! Gawin na ta.
Yeah.
Ay, Bisaya. Sige, astig na kami diri sa balay ni Mayor. So, diri kami magkaon kay murag buffet style, dagan kaon. Syempre, basta birthday. Nakapamina diya siya.
Advanced skin. Watch this. The island. Oh yeah, I'm a local.
Thanks. It's on my body.
Woo! Taga-asa ka, ma'am.
Taga Camiguin ko.
That was the best boot out you've ever done. Sige, so si Jordan, addict siya sa High School Musical. So pag nakita niya ang usa ka bridge, nahulog siya, na-fall in love siya sa bridge kay it reminds him of High School Musical. So mutanaw ta sa behind the scenes karon. This is good lighting right now though.
It is really good lighting. You gotta come a bit closer so I can hear. You gotta be quiet so I can hear the song.
Grabe. Influencer good.
Okay,
Should I see the whole thing?
this is my girl.
Okay.
Okay, all you gotta do is hit it and I'll hear it. Just
Okay.
hit it when you want.
Wait, wait.
You just gotta go.
Do I hold it?
Hold for the whole time.
Okay.
How's the
Ready?
TikTok?
Okay.
Honestly, pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Didn't hear it very well.
You did What About Me really well.
That's the key.
Don't tell them where we are now. Ayaw, saba.
What the heck is happening?
What the heck? Sige, lami kayo ang birthday ni Juan, ni Mayor. Karon punta na kami doon. Charot. Bisaya na ta. Ato na kami dito sa bukid, dali sa bukid ambod. Kung asa mi mo ato basta sa beehive daw. Kung asa ang mga bees. Di ba?
This vlog's a mess.
Yes.
Yes, we don't know where are the bees.
Yes.
No, but we're gonna go there for sunset.
Yes, munta kami sa sunset para romantic.
Wow.
Kaya 6 months and 1 day na kami. Woo!
Ooh.
And ugma 6 months and 2 days na. Oh, ayos. Munta kami sa sunset. Happy na siya mawala. So, si Jordan magpalupat siya drone. Maybe I'll fly my drone as well.
Yeah.
Mom Joey will try it. You want to fly my drone?
Absolutely not.
Sali ko nimo.
So you gotta learn a skill.
Hey, oh. Sige, mamuntag sa nitanan. Tanawa sa likod namon ni Jordan kay nasunog kaayo sa adlaw kahapon. Akong likod. Can you show my back?
I'm stinging.
Oh no! Red, what's the word for red?
Pula.
Pula!
Manok na pula.
Manok na pula!
Manok na pula na kami.
Pula?
So, gahapon, wala kami naglangdong kay kuripot kami, wala kami nagbayad sa payong. Bisan, 150 lang. So, naginusol na kami, nag-regret na kami guys. Perte ka, sakit. Basta mo kuhan kami sa adlaw. Pero karon, sorry, matuyo kami sa isla karon. Wato kami sa mga nindot na falls. Magbutang kami sunscreen para sigurado di kami mapula. Usap. Sige, so tara.
Look at my face!
Looks live good.
It's red.
What's that?
Murag litson baboy.
I have to protect myself from the sun, okay, guys? And the glasses are just an extra added style.
Alright, Mom Joey, what's going on?
Ma'am, we will make tombstone. Feed, tombstone.
You making tombstone?
Yeah.
Maghimo ka?
Oh, come on.
Got him.
You listen like galingon da.
Asa ka maghimo? Diri lang?
No, in
Nasa taas?
our house.
In your house?
Yeah.
We're back visiting my nanay to say hello. She's
Not your nanay,
she's like my nanay Laling. Everyone calls her nanay Laling,
but not her mom.
but not my mom. My mom's alive. So I'm sweating.
Alright.
So we're gonna say hello.
Jordan's first experience probably in the Philippines.
Definitely. I've never been to a Filipino cemetery before. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, Jordan. Okay, we just stick it in. Ah,
Nice.
nice.
Oh no. No.
Alright. We're gonna say our highs and then we're gonna say our goodbyes.
Yeah.
And we're gonna jump over smoke so she doesn't follow us out.
Yeah, this is Jordan's first time
What?
jumping over smoke. Yeah,
What do you mean?
that's interesting.
It's a lot of fire.
What?
Yeah, we legit have to light a fire. I don't know how cemeteries don't burn down.
What do you mean you have to light a fire and jump over the fire? Oh, what? I'm really busy joking.
I suck at this.
Survivor. Wow.
1. Let's count how many sticks it
Literally, I
takes.
suck at this and then
Oh.
snaps the stick.
I think this is a good
Oh
one.
wow, that stuff burns
Thank
good.
you.
Yeah, the husk. Is it coconut husk? Yeah, coconut husk
yeah.
is great.
That is no joke. How does this whole place not light up?
I don't know.
Amazing.
Okay. Got a whole lot of smoke happening here.
Alright, go. The spirit can't follow you.
So
You
my
have
nanay
to stay
doesn't
here.
come with you.
Yeah, because that'd be weird. Oh, that was hot.
Bye,
Put it
Nay.
out though.
Nope. You just leave it.
Ibili na mo si Nanay Liling.
Laling.
Laling diya, ibili na mo si Nanay Laling dire. And yeah, musuri kami sa mga,
Waterfalls.
what's waterfall in Bisaya?
Hagbong tubig.
Yeah, bale. Sige, so,
Tara!
asa takaron?
Karibawasan Falls.
Asa damoto?
Karibawasan Falls.
Yun, mga good. Unsa ni siya?
Lanyard.
Why, walay picture.
Pero wala yung picture. Pero gwapa gyapon.
Oh. Oh.
She thinks this has been here her whole life.
No, since grade 10. Oh, that's new.
Alright. B-roll transition, go!
In the beginning, it was like
Get the hell out of here,
Sige, so tungan haptos kayo akong likod. Woo! Maligo ko sa bugnaw na tubig para chill kayo. Parang Vicks siguro ang feeling pag manao ko sa tubig.
Babe,
Vicks ba?
hagbong tubig. Wow, chill.
This is cold. Bugnaw kayo? Siguro sakit sa akong likod.
Come back out now.
I can't. I hate cold water.
No, you come back out. You're already filming. I'm already filming. Woo! There he goes. How is it?
Worth it. Very worth it. Tanawa. Tanawa sa imong likod na imong kano. Uy, tanawa. Hala.
Hala kano.
Hala kano.
Hala kano.
Behind the scenes here. Girls have an easy life, eh? Oop.
Yeah.
I got really intimate with your shoulder right there.
Work it, girl.
Nah, this one's gonna be like.
Yes, wear it. Yes, love it.
I love.
I love your raw diet.
Yeah.
Nope.
You got it.
I'm just seeing if you can hold me.
They can hold you. No, what? No, what are you doing?
Yeah, I know. You just broke it.
Because you know what it is?
Oh, giant
Ants?
Closest landings on the island.
Look, I think I see you. So there are landowners on this island. Carson didn't believe me, but look at him.
You know what this means? We just discovered the first landowners ever on this island. Wow, we're gonna be rich.
So the reason she says that is because the first time I was in Camiguin, we did not find one single lanzones
It was-
sa tibuok na isla.
February, and it was not in season, and we exported all of them, so we had none left. And then my auntie Ende, she's like, oh, there's some, and we were driving, so we stopped, and then she went to go get them, and then she comes back, and they're like, and she's like, oh, it's kamote.
Alright, so niya na kami diri sa usa ka secret spot sa Camiguin. Dili pa kami sigurado kung asa dapit, pero duo lang. Nigo! Filipinos have eagle eyes.
6 cents.
6 cents. So basta low tide daw, na hot spring na tapat sa ocean. Pero pag high tide na, wala na siya. Pero swerte kami kay low tide na karon. Mangita na kami sa hot spring.
Yeah.
Diba?
Diba?
Oh, your eyes look sick right now.
So, drove a little bit. Now we're in some hot springs that I've never been to, even though I've been here for 24 years. Yeah, first time here. It's very hot. It's hotter than Arden. Don't really want to tell you the exact location, even though it's on Google. Yep, it's nice. And it's sunset, so we're gonna fly some stuff.
The pilot right here.
And I found
Pilot
stuff.
Jordan.
You've been here for 24 years,
Yeah, and it's the first time. I don't understand. It's literally on Google.
but have you visited every year for 24 years now?
Alright. Iuli na kami dire sa balay ni Ate Inday. Boop, boop. Kumusta? Heyo!
She's holding an
Yan, sige. So si Ate Inday, maghimo siya YouTube channel sa sunod. Magtabang mi. So subscribe sa iyang channel. Bisan wala pa siya yung channel. Vlog na mo sa sunod. Sure. Ang balay ni Ate Inday. Ang bod unsay channel name. Maghunong-hunang sa kami. Sige, so Ate Zoe.
Auntie Zone? Did you Auntie Zone me?
Oh! You already know.
Salamat sa pagtanaw og amping mo tanan. Camiguin.
Salamat sa ayaw pagtanaw.
Oh, Camiguin.
What? Unsa?
Salamat sa ayaw pagtanaw.
Ay, grabe naman.
This is my auntie Inday.
Sus, Meryl,
Do we look
Sus Mary
similar?
Yosef. Wow, ang galing.